That street also looks Raphael. Yeah, looks nice. It looks like the same street as our hotel, basically. Just kind of strange. Shall we go left or right?
This right.
Your cacti collection of photos. Anyway, loving this, making my holiday look special, feel special. Yeah, they are fishermen. Are we going to the left? Left, slowly. No, it's okay because that's where what I would need to film. Not because I need to figure out what they're doing. There must be, and this must be a nice picture too, actually, in your special collection of pictures. Interesting. Yeah, just summer. So it's kind of but it's a nice sunset. It's very beautiful, I would say. You see, you were wondering about juicy. Remember my previous comment? I was talking about juicy stuff. Yeah.
You're hitting my ass. It's my left hand.
And your phones. But is your left hand not the wrong one? Then why are you holding your phone with it? I'm trying to film that side either. I'll be careful. So you have two bags now. One. That's really too much. This is somebody with drinks in his bag. I've seen that a long, old fashioned.
Can I take a picture of you here?
Yes, you can, dear.
Oh my God.
The sun is there.
This is watch out.
It's always a problem when you're taking a picture. Cameras. Your
Do you
camera.
want me to take a full?
Yeah, yes, why not?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll be careful.
With the sun? No, don't pull
The
me
sun.
too much. You pull, you pull, you pull.
Ready?
Yes, thank you.
That's a good photo.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Much better.
If we crop it, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's not bad. Crop it.
I got skin chicken.
Chicken.
American kids, you go far. I'll support you. I'll vote for you. What's going on with the world?
She's wearing a warmer top.
Looks more like your cousin. Actually, left.
It's getting a bit pink over the sky. That means a bit more wind tomorrow.
To the right, those are distracted by some heartache. Your heartache. That should be a good picture as well. The good news is that everything that I'm filming with is
You can try another one here. The sun is even more down.
yeah, you try your luck for somebody to steal your phone. Because you see the background is not. Yeah. The problem is that if I come into the image, it blows out the sun. So it means yeah. The sun is these things that is blown out. Yeah. Because there's a contrasting effect. Yes, but how is so many people here?
Keep walking.
Yeah. Let's see what we can do with these images.
So I can take one of myself.
Yeah. Or maybe I should take you. What about me taking you with my camera? Well, no, wait. Stand there.
Don't put my old body.
No, but you crop it. All right. I'll try.
Without my glasses.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Got it. Thank you. Take a picture. Look. I will be resuming it with maybe 10 seconds. Yeah. There we go now. Just just like everyone else. But it's easier.
He almost fell, huh?
Well, because of this dog, he was shocked by the dog that could have hitten him. Did you see that dog?
He's a bit wet and sandy.
Is it closing or it's much emptier than usual? Anna, this is much emptier than usual. But always so distracted.
La comida.
We have a screen here, so they're protected from the wind.
Well, I hope so. I hope for them. So does it close at night?
Yeah, that area, maybe it's dangerous.
Because
You can fall in the water.
I thought it was kind of at night there's a, there must be
It's maybe only there.
opening hours, no opening hours.
That's a beach area. They close it at night because people can get out of control.
All right, dear. All right. Let's. Can't see much actually. I think my glasses need a little cleaning. Because
With those polarized glasses, I don't think you should use those wipes. Because what's happened to my glasses that I'm wearing now, that polarization that is damaged.
yeah.
If you look at my glasses in the bedroom, you'll see that brown
Yeah.
is gone in some spots of the glasses, but not in all. Yeah, I think it's because of those wipes we use. I think you just have to clean them with a soft tissue rather than with some wet.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's look at the world. Let's look at the world. Find bench.
I think the public was
You see your front? In front of you, meaning as you walk. My bad cat. That's still some more popular than me.
The sun is almost under.
It's almost quite the Quella Bay, where Anarchy cannot
I saw
get
nice.
any.
I saw nice samples. there.
Would you like to visit?
I saw nice samples. Can I just show you the samples?
All right, let's go visit the Quella Bay.